I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that...
Hey guys, today is Tuesday and I found a really good parking spot. And it's close to a lot of things that I think will be nice in pictures. So I'm gonna go take some pictures now because I'm at the location that I was talking to you guys about. And I'm just gonna give you like a little tour. It's like, it's so nice. Almost feels like a little maze. And there's a lot of green. Usually I don't really like green in my pictures. But this is just so pretty for me now to take some pictures here. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Shouldn't be driving and filming. Okay. Hey guys, I'm stuck in traffic. That's why I decided to vlog. I think I vlogged the beginning of the day and now it's the end of the day and I'm not sure what I vlogged, but yeah, so in the morning I went to class and then I took some pictures. I met up with a friend and then we studied. I was gonna film that section but I completely forgot.
Let's talk business. This fat bastard is trying to move in on Mauricio's business.
Throw me out now so you can never open your door. You can let me die right there in front of you.
It's so creepy how you dare. Baby, we had make a plan. I am ready for a death. 어젯밤 적어놨어. 일단 whatever you do. Sometimes life is just too much.
This is what I wanted to show you guys that I got from H&M. They sent me this like really interesting cutout top. I don't really own anything this color with these cutouts. Oh, it's gonna be tricky to style. They also gifted me this necklace here, and then they gave me this skirt, the same materials as the top with the slit. So they gave me this jacket. And as you can see, it's huge. It looks like this on me. Show you guys.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking why the caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might
I have class in a few minutes, but I just came here to take a few pictures because it is so pretty. It's like my go-to location to take pictures now. It's so cute.